Okay, I want to work on the dancer. What I want to do is he is going to dance, and I want to repeat him in the background. So it's like with an offset in timing. It's like he is playing 5 people roles. So I select the area that I want, like from here again to, so that's enough. Maybe some more move. Yes, it's better. So from here to, you're a good dancer.
Thanks, man.
To here. Okay, great. And then I drag and drop it on top of composition. Okay, we have one layer of dance moves. I have to just get rid of the area around him. So while the layer is selected, again, the whole process that you know, select the pen tool, click, click, click. Okay, so just check the whole timeline. Just check the whole timeline. Here the finger is cropped, so make sure nothing is cropped. Here again the finger is cropped, make sure nothing is cropped. Okay, now it's time to remove the green screen. Again, I search for in effects and presets, where it is. Okay, King Key Light 1.2, drag and drop on top of the layer, pick the eyedropper, click and drag on the green screen, and it's gone. But it's not a clean green screen yet. From final result to screen matte, let's adjust the screen gain first. So the black is gone, but we need to crop white as well. Screen balance a little bit down. Screen matte, I clip white, so he is white. Okay, great. Okay, cool. So
what's that?
let's go back to the final results, and we have the dancer. So he's dancing around. So I just simply duplicate the layer and just simply adjust the timing, change the timing of the layer behind. So, and then adjust the end of it. Okay. Okay, but the point is, the perspective on both of them is the same. So both of them are quite sharp. Both of them are the same size. Both of them are in the same lens depth of field. What you need is just to make one of them smaller. So I just make the lower layer smaller. Like I select the lower layer, I press S, make it like 93, and then I apply a fast blur from my. So I type in effects and presets fast blur and drag and drop fast blur in the lower layer, and then I just need to close this key, and then I add some blurriness. Would you look at that? You know, the lower layer is blurred because it's out of focus. So it gives a sense of depth.
So how do you make the second one?
Just Control D. D stands for duplicate. So I select the second one, Control D, and just drag and drop it behind all of them. Change the timing again. Make it smaller, press S, even smaller, and also it has a blur on it, and make it more blurry. It was 6, I press 12. So 3 guys dancing together, yes. And you can move them around as well. So this would be like here. You can offset the position as well.
No. Oh my god.
And more, you know, duplicate, more, offset the time, make it smaller, move it around, or even change the color. How to change the color, I will explain it later. And add some blurriness, more. The further away, the more blurriness. Okay, so this is what we want you to do. So let's move them around like that. Yes. Hey, dun, 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 dun. Okay, all good.